Hello and welcome. Now let's try to burn our code or move our code to our ESP board and test this project. Go to the device manager after hooking up your ESP board. Make sure that it's visible, as you can see, COM4. Now go to the tools, make sure that COM4 is connected and choose your board. We are using ESP32 dev kit version 1. Now upload your code. It will take like a minute. And after uploading, we are going to check what's happening using the serial monitor. As you can see, it's connecting to COM4. Now it's writing the code 3% and it's moving on. Okay, 70, 90, 100. Okay, done uploading. Now our board has the code. Now click here. As you can see, we did ask the board to print dot. Okay, let me minimize this. Now this means that Wi-Fi is not connected, so it will keep printing dots until Wi-Fi is connected. So let's make sure that we have the Wi-Fi details written correctly. Okay, SSID. Now this is our board, Ashraf TV. Okay, and this is the password. Okay, let me check. Okay, after checking, I found that my network name has 2 spaces after my name, Ashraf 2 spaces TV. So we need to edit the code and add 2 spaces. Let's upload it again. Okay, it seems like I have another issue, which is that my Wi-Fi network has 2 spaces here and 1 space after the name. So let's copy the same name here from my router and let's paste it here. As you can see, it has 1 space here, 2 spaces here. So let's upload the code one more time. I could have just cut this part, but I think that you should know that you might have issues connecting to your Wi-Fi network, and you need to solve these issues. And the best way is to copy your Wi-Fi network name and password from your router admin page. Okay, done compiling. Now when we click here, as you can see, it did connect. Wi-Fi is connected at this IP address and it's showing me my IP address, and it did print the HTTP request data, as you can see. Now let's check our database. Now, as you can see, we haven't received any data on our database. So let's see where is the problem. Now another HTTP request is out. Now let's first check our database to make sure. Now, if you have written everything correctly, you should see on this page, when you refresh it, you should see the values here. As you can see, the location 1, 2, and here we get value 1, value 2, value 3, and the timestamp. The sensor data and location data are not visible here, usually because we have the name wrong on our PHP file. So let's first check our database. And as you can see in our database, we are not getting these names. This means that we have problem with the post data file. So go to the post data file, edit it, and make sure that you have the right naming for each of these. Change this to the same as in this one, in our ESP code. As you can see, we have sensor, we have location. So let's change these with sensor and location. So sensor, and here we need to write sensor, and the location, we have to do the same for the location, and here we need to add the location. Now same for here. Okay, they are written correctly here. You need to make sure that they are named the same. Refresh the page, and let's wait for another request. Let's clear the output. Okay, we did receive another request. We can go back. If you refresh your database, you should see the values here in your table. Okay, now as you can see, touch and home office, the sensor name and the location are written correctly. And if you refresh the page here, you will see that we have touch and home office and the values from our sensors. Now our sensor can be a humidity sensor, a temperature sensor, a touch sensor, or any other type of sensors. And in the next lesson, I will use 3 touch sensors and send their values to our web page. Thanks for watching this lesson. If you have any question, please ask in the Q&A board.